Welcome to our channel, Healthiers. Ready to be 1% better? Today we are going to talk about all you need to know how to improve your skin with an incredible natural oil. So check it out, especially if you are over 40. Keep till the end to blow your mind with these information. And remember, let's be just 1% healthier every day. Hey guys, ever wondered if that bottle of castor oil sitting in your medicine cabinet could be the secret weapon in your fight against aging? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the world of castor oil and uncovering its potential as a game changer in men's skincare. Now, you might be thinking, isn't castor oil just another overhyped trend? That's exactly why we're here. With so much conflicting information out there, it's time to set the record straight. We're going to bust myths, reveal truths, and show you why castor oil might just be the unsung hero your skincare routine's been missing. Here's how we'll break it down. First, we'll explore what castor oil actually is and why it's causing such a buzz. Then, we'll dive into its benefits, from fighting wrinkles to tackling acne. We'll guide you through how to use it effectively, discuss some precautions, and even reveal some surprising uses you probably never considered. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to decide if castor oil deserves a spot in your grooming arsenal. So, let's cut through the hype and get to the facts. Introduction to castor oil. Castor oil has been making waves in the skincare world, and for good reason. This natural wonder's got folks buzzing about its ability to turn back the clock on aging skin. It's like Mother Nature's very own fountain of youth, packed with all sorts of goodies that can give your face a serious glow up. Now, you might be wondering if this stuff's worth adding to your daily routine. Well, let me tell you, gents, it's not just for the ladies. Castor oil's got some serious perks for men's skin too. But here's the kicker. You've got to know how to use it right to really reap the rewards. So, what's the deal with castor oil for skin? And why are so many guys jumping on this bandwagon? It's all about those anti-aging benefits, my friend. We're talking wrinkle fighting, moisture boosting, age-defying magic in a bottle. But hold your horses before you slather it all over your mug. There's a thing or two you ought to know. Benefits of castor oil. Castor oil has garnered attention in the skincare world, and for good reason. It's rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals, which are known to accelerate aging and contribute to wrinkle formation. This natural oil offers a scientifically backed approach to maintaining youthful skin. For men concerned about the signs of aging, castor oil presents a valuable solution. It acts as an excellent moisturizer, helping to keep skin plump and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Additionally, it serves a dual purpose by addressing both aging concerns and acne issues simultaneously. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, consider castor oil as a multifaceted skincare ally. It works continuously to protect against harmful bacteria, maintain skin hydration, and promote a healthy complexion. These benefits contribute to a refreshed and rejuvenated appearance, which can be particularly appealing for men seeking to maintain a vibrant look in both professional and personal settings. Application tips. Quality is paramount when selecting castor oil for skincare. Opt for 100% pure, cold-pressed, and chemical-free varieties to maximize benefits. This unrefined version retains all the natural properties that make castor oil effective for anti-aging and skin health. To enhance absorption and ease of use, mix castor oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond. This combination improves texture and amplifies moisturizing effects. For men concerned about wrinkles, this blend can be particularly beneficial, offering deep hydration without feeling heavy on the skin. Apply the oil mixture to your face at night after cleansing. You can either leave it on overnight for intensive treatment or remove it after a few minutes. With a warm cloth, experiment to find what works best for your skin type and schedule. Remember, consistency is key when using castor oil for face care, so try to incorporate it regularly into your routine for optimal results. I recommend always consult your doctor before giving it a try. Precautions and considerations. Before incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine, it's crucial to conduct a patch test. Apply a small amount to your inner forearm and wait 24 hours to ensure no allergic reactions occur. This simple step can prevent potential discomfort and ensure that castor oil is suitable for your skin. When using castor oil around the eyes, exercise caution. While it's known for its potential to enhance eyelash growth, direct contact with the eyes can cause irritation. If you're targeting the eye area, apply the oil sparingly with a clean cotton swab, focusing on the lash line and avoiding the waterline. Proper storage is essential to maintain the efficacy of your castor oil. Keep it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight, which can degrade its beneficial properties. A well-stored bottle of castor oil can retain its potency for months, ensuring you get the most out of this versatile skincare product. Special uses. Beyond its primary skincare benefits, castor oil offers versatility in men's grooming routines. For those battling dry, chapped lips, it serves as an excellent natural remedy. Its moisturizing properties make it a common ingredient in lip care products. But you can also apply a small amount directly to your lips for intense hydration. Castor oil's reputation for promoting hair growth extends to eyebrows and eyelashes. For men looking to enhance these features, careful application can yield impressive results. Use a clean mascara wand or cotton swab to apply a small amount to your brows or lash line before bed, being cautious to avoid getting it in your eyes. Surprisingly, this multi-purpose oil can also be a godsend for sunburn relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. After a day in the sun, gently applying a mixture of castor oil and aloe vera can provide cooling comfort and support your skin's healing process. Final thoughts. As we've explored, castor oil offers a myriad of benefits for men's skincare. However, the key to unlocking its full potential lies in using high-quality oil and following proper application methods. Remember, consistency is crucial. Incorporate castor oil into your routine regularly to see the best results. While the benefits of castor oil are well documented, individual experiences may vary. Some men might see rapid improvements in skin texture and appearance, while others may require more time to notice changes. Patience and persistence are vital when adopting any new skincare regimen, including one that features castor oil. Lastly, don't hesitate to experiment and find what works best for you. Whether you're using castor oil for wrinkles, acne, or general skin health, your unique skin type and concerns will influence how you use this versatile oil. Consider keeping a skincare journal to track your progress and adjust your routine as needed. All right, gents. We've covered a lot of ground today about castor oil and its potential benefits for men's skin. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action. Are you ready to give your skin the attention it deserves? Think about it. How much time do you spend taking care of your car or your tech gadgets? Shouldn't your skin get at least as much care? It's the largest organ you've got, after all. So why not start incorporating castor oil into your routine tonight? What's stopping you from taking that first step towards healthier, younger-looking skin? Remember, consistency is key. It's not about overnight miracles, but rather about committing to a routine that will benefit you in the long run. So, are you up for the challenge? Will you give castor oil a shot and see how it transforms your skin? Before you go, if you found this information helpful, why not hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications? We're always sharing tips and tricks to help you look and feel your best. Plus, we'd love to hear about your experiences with castor oil. Drop a comment below and let us know how it works for you. Who knows, your success story might just inspire someone else to take the plunge. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take charge of your skincare game. Are you in? Let's be just 1% healthier every single day. I compromise to bring you Away's new informational videos and reply to all the comments. I said all.